Patient came to D Lab Calicut branch on December 15, 2025. On examination he had vertex type 3 baldness according to Norwood scale. Consulted by Dr. Niroj Raviprasad and Dr. Nandana Ram Kishore. Advices for SCT, stem cell activation. So first session was taken on that day itself, and this is the image of his scalp. This is the pic when he came to D Lab for second sitting. But we have advised to take within 15 days, yet he came on 9 January 2026 for second. Second session was taken by Dr. Nandana Ram. This is the image of his scalp when he came for booster on last Tuesday, April 14, 2026. It can be seen that it is cleared completely and the regrowth of hair has occurred. Very good results are seen, and he took booster on that day. So what all medications we gave to him? We gave Vit D3 and biotin tab. Both are vitamins. He was also given Minax 5% and Redensil serum after taking SCT sessions.